In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a really cool digital storybook. It's easy, fun, and highly effective for teaching, learning, and practicing English. The really cool thing about this new feature is that not only can you create digital storybooks and share them with your students, but they can also create their own digital storybooks and share them with you, other students, or even better, share them with the world. Let's get started. First, go to the school library. Click Vocabulary Builder. Click Category Name. Here, you can see many different topics and themes of flashcards. You can add flashcards from various topics and themes into a story. First, you need to select some cards and create a storybook folder. To select cards, hover over the flashcard. Click the check mark. You will notice that there is a check in the upper left corner which indicates that you have selected this card. After you have selected the cards that you want, click the Storybook button up here in the top right corner. Here, you can add to an existing folder or you can create a new folder. Let's create a new folder first. Click New Folder. Enter a folder name and folder description. Click Post. To add flashcards to an existing folder, select the cards which you would like to add to the folder. Click Storybook. Select the folder that you would like to add the cards to. Click Post. You will also notice at the bottom there is a section named Storyboard. These are sets of cards that are part of a story. They are different from the vocabulary building flashcards, but they can be used in the same way. Let's create a story. Click Superstitions. Click Select All. Create a new folder. Now let's create our story. Click Storybook Add. You will see a blue notification at the top. This will guide you through your first steps of creating a story. First, click the folder that you would like to create a story with. You will notice that once you have clicked this, your flashcards will appear at the top. Select the flashcard that you would like to start your story with. Note, this will also be the cover of your storybook. Drag and drop it into the window. Name your book here. Note, this will only be seen on the cover of your book. Select your font. Type your story. Record your story. There are many superstitions all over the world. In North America, it is bad luck to walk under a ladder. There are many superstitions all over the world. In North America, it is bad luck to walk under a ladder. Click the plus icon at the bottom to add the page to your story. If you do not do this, your page will not be saved. Repeat until you are finished telling your story. Click Save and Exit. You can now view, edit, delete, or share your story. To view, edit, delete, or share your story, click Storybook List. Hover over the story that you would like to view, edit, delete, or share. Let's look at the story we just created. Click the eye. There are many superstitions all over the world. In North America, it is bad luck to walk under a ladder. We have a saying, if you find a penny, pick it up, and all day long you'll have good luck. Step on a crack and you will break your mama's back. You can go back and edit your story by clicking the Edit icon. To learn more about assigning storybooks to students and adding your own images, watch Storybook Tutorial 2.